Are you looking for the best Chromebooks? In this video we will look at some of the best Chromebooks. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Dell Inspiron 11 Chromebook. Dell has always been known as one of the most premium laptop brands in the industry, and those who have used any Dell laptops in the past, they would love to go for this one only. In case you are looking for a new Chromebook for your children, or if you are a student yourself, the Dell Inspiron 11 Chromebook will deliver you the best experience. Thanks to its small footprint, it's one of the most compact laptop options that you will find on this list. It comes with a brilliant 11.6 inches display with HD resolution, which makes it as good as a tablet. But, since it's a laptop, you will get to enjoy the benefits of a physical keyboard as well. Thus, if you want a highly portable Chromebook option, it's the best pick. Apart from that, it's just tiny in terms of physical aspects, not in terms of technical specifications. This tiny Chromebook features an Intel Celeron N3060 processor, which is a dual-core chip that clocks at a max of 2.48 GHz. Moreover, there's 4 GB of DDR4 memory available and 16 GB eMMC storage as well. In fact, it also features an inbuilt HD webcam as well that will allow you to attend your important video calls from anywhere. On the sides, it comes with an HDMI port, 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and a microSD card reader as well. Not just that, you also get Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth on this Chromebook, which is amazing. Powered by a 2.48 GHz Intel Celeron N3060 processor. Features 4 GB DDR4 RAM. Uses 16 GB eMMC storage. Has an 11.6 inches display with 1366 by 768 HD resolution. Built-in Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 4. ASUS Chromebook. Although most people believe that ASUS is a highly expensive laptop brand, it does sell a wide range of affordable Chromebook options as well that you must check out. One of the best Chromebooks under $300 that ASUS offers is this C523 laptop, which comes in an amazing eye-catching design. You will be impressed to see how thin this laptop actually is, and it's quite easy to carry it as well. Despite its lightweight nature, this laptop has a 15.6 inches large HD resolution display that comes covered with an anti-glare coating to eliminate reflections. On top of it, it comes with a 180-degree hinge as well that will help you lay this laptop flat on a table. It's one of the best office laptops you can go with as it delivers a long-lasting battery life of 12 hours, which is truly impressive. As far as the performance is concerned, the C523 laptop is powered by a 2.4 GHz Intel Celeron N3350 processor, which handles tasks like web browsing, managing documents quite easily. Apart from that, you will not face any issues with the booting time as it uses 32 GB eMMC storage and features 4 GB DDR4 RAM that will allow you to multitask seamlessly. Looking at the connectivity options, it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and comes with a bunch of USB Type-A ports and a USB 3.1 Type-C port also. Powered by a 2.4 GHz Intel Celeron N3350 processor. Features 4 GB DDR4 RAM. Uses 32 GB eMMC storage. Has a 15.6 inches display with 1366 by 768 HD resolution. Offers 12 hours of battery life. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 3. HP Chromebook. Coming over to the next laptop brand, you must already know about HP as it's one of the most popular brands out there that are highly well known for its wide range of office laptops. Taking a look at the design of this Chromebook, it comes with a brushed metal chassis that looks absolutely premium and classy. In fact, other physical aspects like the keyboard and trackpad are quite impressive and fun to use. Moreover, if we talk about its display, this Chromebook uses a 14 inches display that features a 1366 by 768 HD resolution, which is pretty good considering the price point. In case you are looking for a Chromebook that can help you handle your office work all day long, it offers a 13 hours long battery life, which makes it a perfect choice for you to pick. Moreover, HP has left no room for you to complain about in terms of performance, as this Chromebook boasts a 2.6 GHz Intel Celeron N4000 processor, which is paired with 4 GB DDR4 RAM and 32 GB eMMC storage. Hence, it's powerful enough to handle most of the tasks you throw at it. In addition, it also features top-firing stereo speakers from B&O which sound exceptionally good. In terms of connectivity, this Chromebook from HP comes with a USB 3.1 Type-C port, a USB 2.0 port, a microSD card slot, and also supports Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0. Powered by a 2.6 GHz Intel Celeron N4000 processor. Features 4 GB DDR4 RAM. Uses 32 GB eMMC storage. Has a 14 inches display with 1366 by 768 HD resolution. Offers 13 hours of battery life. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 2. Samsung Chromebook. In case you are looking for a premium Chromebook, Samsung is one of the best brands out there that offer high-end Chromebook options. The XE350XBA-K01 US Chromebook 4 Plus looks just like a standard laptop as it comes with a 15.6 inches Full HD display. Although it's big in size, you will face no issues carrying it as it's quite lightweight. Talking about the technical specifications, this Chromebook runs on an Intel Celeron N4000 processor that runs at a max clock speed of 2.6 GHz, which is quite impressive. Along with that, this Chromebook comes with 4 GB of DDR4 memory and 32 GB eMMC storage as well. Thus, the performance is absolutely top-notch, so you can simply use this Chromebook for doing all the basic tasks without any issue. In fact, this laptop has inbuilt virus protection software as well, which will keep it secure from cyber attacks. On the other hand, if we take a look at the connectivity ports, this laptop features 2 USB Type-C ports and a USB 3.1 Gen 1 port as well. Moreover, it also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. In case you are concerned about its battery life, it can last for more than 10.5 hours pretty easily. Powered by a 2.6 GHz Intel Celeron N4000 processor. Features 4 GB DDR4 RAM. Uses 32 GB eMMC storage. Has a 15.6 inches display with 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution. Offers 10.5 hours of battery life. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Number 1. Acer Spin Chromebook. Starting with the first Chromebook option on this list, we have the Spin 311 convertible laptop from Acer, which is a highly well-known brand, as you might have already heard of it a lot of times before. Since it's a convertible laptop, it comes with a detachable keyboard which allows you to use it in tablet mode. With that said, it's pretty clear that its 11.6 inches HD IPS display is a touchscreen. Talking about its performance, this Chromebook features a powerful and efficient Intel Celeron N4020 chipset that runs at a clock speed up to 2.80 GHz. On top of it, you can effortlessly multitask on it as it boasts 4 GB LPDDR4 RAM and 32 GB eMMC storage, which is quite good considering its price point. Thanks to Chrome OS, the power management on this laptop is amazing, and its battery lasts for about 10 hours pretty easily on regular usage. One of the best parts about this Chromebook is that it supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 5 with 2x2 MIMO technology, so that you can have a seamless web browsing experience over a wireless network. Looking at its build quality, we personally like its design, and even the feedback from the keyboard and trackpad is quite good. Apart from that, if we look at the sides, the Spin 311 Chromebook comes with 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports and 2 USB 3.1 Type-C ports, along with a microSD card for storage expansion. Powered by a 2.8 GHz Intel Celeron N4020 processor. Features 4 GB DDR4 RAM. Uses 32 GB eMMC storage. Has an 11.6 inches IPS display with 1366 by 768 HD resolution. Offers 10 hours of battery life. Comes with a 1-year warranty.